Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So from this video we are starting MongoDB tutorial. So here you can see this is our Mongo shell. So what we have to do, we have to copy this code. Okay, copy this link and you have to put our by default Mongo port. So that is 20717. Okay, so here we are in MongoDB right now. So what we have to do, we have to clear the screen first. So what I will do, I'll control plus L. So screen is cleared. Okay, now what we have to do, I need to see what are the databases are already created here. So for that what I have to do, I'll write like show DBs. If I write show DBs, here you can see these are the databases are already created. So some databases are there what is by default by MongoDB. Okay, so I need to create new databases. Okay, how I will create, I'll write like use, I will give a name of the databases, I'll write like A. So new database name is A. So if I put enter, here you can see switch to DBA. That means A database is created and we are switched into that databases into A. Okay, now I want more databases. What I will use, I will use B. Another database is created. C. Another database is created. Okay, now I want to see clear screen. I want to see all the databases. So how I'll do, I'll write like CDBs. Sorry, show DBs. So here you can see I cannot find my 3 databases what I created. Why? Because all those 3 databases has no record, has no collection. Okay, so empty databases, it will not show in our database list. So I have to create collections. Okay, so clear screen. Okay, right now I am in C, right? So I need to create a collection. So what I will do, I will do like db dot and another thing. So I will write like use d. Okay, if I write like this, I will get a error because MongoDB is case sensitive. Okay, we have to write like use d like this. Okay, so whatever is by default function, we have to write like this only. Okay, so control L. I am right now in D database, but I cannot see all those databases in my database list. So I need to create collection. Okay, so I am creating collection in D. So what I have to do, I have to write like db dot, I will give a collection name. So collection is not created, I will give a collection name and collection will be created. I will give a collection name like students. Okay, dot, so this collection name is students. So in this collection I need to create a document. That means one record I need to create. So I'll write like insert one. You have to write like this only, unless it will give an error. So in this students document I am creating one record. Okay, first parenthesis, curly braces, I'll write like name is ABC. Okay, and I'll write like age, so age is 26. Okay, so if I create an enter, so here you can see, so one collection is created, students, and one record is inserted. Now if I want to see what are the databases, I will write like show DBs. Okay, so here you can see D is showing. Why? Because D has collection. Okay, A, B, C is not showing. We have to create collection in A, B, C, then only it will show. Okay, now I need to switch the databases. Okay, right now I am in D. I need to go to A. So what I will do, I'll write like use A. So here you can see I am switched in A database. Okay, now I need to remove the database. Okay, I need to remove this database. I need to drop the database. What I'll write, I'll write like db dot drop database. Okay, here you can see A database is dropped, but here you can see A is showing. Why? Whenever I delete a database, it will be pointing in that database only. It will show like this. Okay, but if I want to go to B, then I'll write like use B. So A database is dropped already. Okay, I am writing B, so B is there. Okay, right now I am in B database. So like this, we have to create database, we have to create collections, we have to insert data, and we can create database, we can drop the database. Okay, we need to show the records in the database, we can show the database list. Okay, so for this video it is enough, I think. So if you like my channel, please share it, subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.